An artificial intelligence lawyer chatbot has successfully contested 160,000 parking tickets in London and New York for free. This is being called the first robot lawyer. It was created by 19-year-old Joshua Browder, and the website is donotpay.co.uk. You basically go on the website and you start inputting information about your parking ticket, and the chatbot will use a sort of logic tree to ask you questions about the ticket and the circumstances, and will formulate an appeal letter based on the information you provide if it determines that you have a pretty good case. It has taken on 250,000 cases and won 160,000 cases. This is a 64% successful appeal rate on $4 million of parking tickets. This little program, Lewis, has taken millions of dollars of what many consider to be a sort of racket, informal or formal racket, the parking ticket racket in London and New York, away from those cities. Pretty amazing.
I love it. I have seen some pretty heinous human rights violations when it comes to how parking tickets are handed out.
Yeah.
And this is a great tool. I hope it doesn't get shut down by Big Brother.
It
whoever.
appears as though there would be really no legal basis on which to shut it down. It is expanding to Seattle next, and will continue tracking its success rate.
There's also seemingly no legal basis for many of the parking tickets that are handed out.
A lawyer friend of mine believes that much of lawyering work is very much automatable, and you wouldn't often get a lawyer for a parking ticket, but my lawyer friend said lawyers in 10 years will likely be in demand more for advice, counsel, big picture ideas and concepts. But things even like estate planning, a friend of mine who does estate planning said, most of it is pretty formulaic, and a similar chatbot could very easily do 99% of the estate planning work, will, estate, etc. And then a lawyer takes 15 or 20 minutes to actually review it. And he is convinced that this is the direction lawyering work is going for many of these things. Of course, litigation, criminal defense, very different scenarios, but that is not the majority of lawyering work.
Isn't everything going the way of automation?
Many things.
Yeah.
Hopefully not progressive talk shows. That would be crazy. I actually checked on a program that tells you how likely your job is to be automated, and this type of thing, news reporting, is actually increasingly likely to be automated. But commentary, to the extent that people still will care and want it, does not seem likely to be automated anytime soon. It's like a 5% risk, our business, of being automated.
Until we have AI, real AI, yes, you're probably safe.